Isolation. That's how some older adults would describe 2020. The repeated restrictions on elderly persons going out to work and elsewhere were necessary, but still overwhelming for some.
Now we have to remember the reason for this season, and it's also a time for giving. And so we need to look out for our elderly and shut-in persons within our communities. So for example, our Citizens Association should promote knowing who your neighbor is. Who are those elderly persons or shut-ins within your community that may need some greater assistance?
This Christmas, more than before, seniors may feel lonely as the pandemic rules linger. So consider how your holiday plans may be modified to include grandma, grandpa, or that elderly person you know will be alone during the festivities. The Yuletide season is centered on love and togetherness, and no one, especially those who have toiled to build their communities, should feel forgotten. Yes, if you're an adult with certain medical conditions who is at increased risk of severe illness from COVID-19, you should avoid in-person gatherings with people who do not live in your household. That does not, however, stop or should prevent seniors from being a part of the holiday celebrations. Here are some tips on how to spread cheer to the elderly during this season of love. Celebrate virtually. On the days leading up, consider reaching out to the elderly and ask if they would be inclined for a games night online. It could be as simple as a karaoke or sharing of old-time stories. Prepare a traditional family dish, something you know your older relatives will like, and have it delivered to their home. Having a virtual dinner and sharing recipes with friends and family is in line with the spirit of virtual events in 2020.
So you want to be able to still engage and to interact socially. Let's do it virtually. So you yourselves within your household and your family, and then you set up your TV or your laptop or your tablet and have a virtual sit-down dinner.
Watch church online. This could be on Christmas Day for morning service and the Sundays preceding and following Christmas and New Year's Sunday services. At the community, make a list of neighboring older adults and give them a ring on Christmas Day. Community associations or groups of individuals may host caroling sessions at the homes of seniors on Christmas Day.
While you can go and spread cheer by caroling, but even when caroling, make sure you're wearing your masks so that with this singing, we are not necessarily transmitting.
Groups may also plan and host a drive-by gift drop-off. The gifts could be delivered on Christmas Eve or on the day. Let's cherish our seniors. After all, they have been doing the same for us all our lives. They should not be left out of the festivities or feel lonely during this period.